back to the Art of Self-Mastery. I am your host, Master Johnson, back here with another one for you. If you're just now seeing my face, feel free to do things with the buttons. This is the infancy of my channel, so for all of the returning viewers, you guys, man, the ones that I've met in the community, shout out to you guys. The ones that I'm interacting with inside of the comments, you guys have been keeping me busy, but today's video is actually going to be dedicated to a community member inside of my private community, okay? So this goes to that specific person. If you feel like you would like to let everybody know down in the chat who you are, then you can go ahead and take claim over it. I'll go ahead and tag you in on it. But anyway, nevertheless, the question was, Master Johnson, how come whenever it feels like I have momentum going in the right direction, I'm losing the weight, the money's coming in, I have more energy, and then out of nowhere, it seems like it comes to a screeching halt. The money, my income starts taking a hit. My weight starts coming back, and I start to feel like my old self. The version of myself that was unable to be able to experience what I just was experiencing. Is there something that I'm doing wrong? Well, let's go ahead and dive in on that one. I'm going to share a few things for you, okay, that are going to make this make a little bit more sense, but more importantly, it's going to bring more understanding. And then therefore, once you understand what it is, as long as you are implementing what I'm going to share with you correctly, then you should not see that happen anymore. Now, this is the art of self-mastery, right? So that means that there is no other but self. So the first thing I want you to understand is if you're seeing the old self bring more manifestations of things that are trying to pull you away from the new self, the simple reason why that is not because there's anything wrong with you. It's actually because you've successfully impressed the subconscious mind. Now, what ends up happening is you have an old identity. This is called the ego. Then you have this new identity, now that you have understand that there is God within you. Ego literally stands for edging God out. Put that in the comments. The other acronym is Earth Guide Only. So if you are only understanding the guide that has been on this earth, now stick with me, your ego edging God out, I need you to understand that that is the brain, that is the thinking, that is the left side of the brain, or I think it's the right side of the brain, that is all logical. And see, what ends up happening is we have been taught to think instead of feel. And in society, people say, hey, if you feel your emotions, then you are weak, or that is vulnerability. So now not only have we been taught to use, I believe, the right side of our mind, or our brain, the logical state, but we've been disconnected from the things that make us humans, which is our emotions, our awareness, okay? Now, let me just talk about this. Squirrels don't have awareness of themselves. They have awareness of this now moment. Humans, on the other hand, have aware of self with any and every moment that then leads to, we can talk about anxiety, we can talk about stress, so we can talk about survival. Now I'm going to tie all this back around, so just stick with me. What I want you to now understand is when you're operating in your ego, you're operating in your thinking mind. And if you're operating in thinking instead of being and or feeling, then what happens is your mind is going to go find all the things that are going wrong. Then because you are thinking specific things, that's going to lead to specific thoughts. And then those thoughts are going to lead to specific feelings. And then those feeling states are going to impress the subconscious mind. Making sense? Now, why does everything come down? It's because you've been thinking better things. You've been feeling better things. You've been impressing the subconscious with feelings that you prefer, but not feelings that you are familiar with. Think about what I'm telling you right now. It's not about feelings that you prefer. It's about what are you used to? What is your nervous system familiar with? So the reason why the weight keeps coming back is because when you start doing something good, your ego becomes threatened. What does that mean? When you start losing the weight, the ego inside says, no, this individual is not going to lose weight because I'm comfortable and I'm familiar with this. And anything that's outside of my familiarity bubble is an immediate and automatic threat. So What does this mean? This means that when you see the success happening, the money coming in, when you see the, the weight loss going well, when you see the opportunities and doors opening up for you, it's not that you're not doing anything wrong. It's just that you still have a aspect of yourself that is more familiar emotionally with the struggle than what you are the abundance. Now, if you know anything about manifestation, manifestation states that you manifest what you are, not what you want. So if what you are is the emotional familiarity of struggling, of worry, of doubt, of fear, of not having the success at which you would like to have, well, if that's what you're most familiar with, well, then that's what you are. And you don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you are, which is literally emotions being hosted in a body. Wow. So now, how do we fix this? Well, let's back it on up. If you are seeing the old you, the old self come up, that means that there's nothing outside of self that needs to change. Okay? There's nothing outside of you that says, I need to go work harder. I need to go, eat better. I need to go have more connections and create and fix this circumstance. That's incorrect, because every single time you don't get the result that you want, if you turn around from what's going right and you focus on what's going wrong, well, then you're going to manifest more of what's going wrong, because that's where you're taking your energy and your focus to. Then once you're taking action out of that story that says, why is my weight coming back? Never mind the cars. Why am I going broke again? Why am I not having the energy that I would like? How could you remain in a positive state and get that outcome when your mind is only focused on why is it happening again? So now what does that mean? You've successfully been impressed by your ego instead of your higher self, your real self. You've successfully looked outside of yourself at the reality around you, telling you what you are, that then leads to feeling states of not enough, why is this not working, confusion and all of that. And then if you take action out of that, trying to fix that scenario, well then now you put the cart before the horse. So here's what I'm going to have you do. In order to have that stop, understand you do not need to buy into the old self's manifestation while you have successfully impressed the subconscious to what you actually prefer. The second thing I need you to understand is it's time for you to become more emotionally familiar with what it's like to continuously release the weight. I need you to be more honed in and focused on accepting what it's like to automatically and claiming and owning that wealth that's coming into your life. Simply put, I need you to stay focused on what it is that you enjoy. I need you to realize that whenever something bad happens, if you get triggered by it, put your focus on it, and then take your eyes and your feeling states away from what you prefer, well then, now that you're focused on what you don't want, it's going to be focused back on you, and then therefore the cycle repeats itself once again. So I don't want this video to go too long. Let me know if you have any questions. Feel free to DM me inside of the community. For those that would like to come inside of the community, go ahead and find the pinned link inside. You can get a little bit closer to me as well as the community live calls. It is the best community out there. I'm just going to full on tell you that. But that's outside the fact. What I really want you to understand is you get what you look for. Okay? Do not fall for the old self manifesting something to get your attention back on the old self, because that's what's going to go ahead and create more of what you are seeing. I guarantee you, the only reason why the money dried up, the weight has come back, and the energy is not where you'd like it to be is because you're focused on the lack thereof, and simply from your focus, you're growing it, and now it's being attracted to you. 2 words: stay focused. That's it. Stay focused. And when your manifestation of your ego happens, realize, I remember when I would get triggered by that. But now I have the conscious awareness to understand why this is happening. I just need to outlast this temporary, stay in the state of fulfillment, stay in the state of being, accept that there is no more doing and thinking. There's simply only selecting, choosing, and then being. Huge information inside of this video. I cannot wait for you guys to see it. Hey, again, this is the infancy of my channel. Feel free to do the things with the buttons. Feel free to join the community. Money back guarantee. I don't need you. I want you, but I don't need you. And I appreciate you enjoying your time here with me. I'm going to go ahead and wrap this video up now. I'll see you guys on the next one.